Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with a Gorjuss Girl collab with Poetspice. The theme for today's project is love letters. The stamp I'll be using today is this gorgeous stamp. I love this. I've been wanting to use it for a while, so I thought this would be perfect for this project. Let's have a look and see what I made. For today's featured project, I decided to create a keepsake box by recycling this dessert box. I also like the clear window on it. So I used this journal card that I had purchased a long time ago from Tuesday Morning. I thought it fit the love theme. Typed up these love letter words on a Word document and cut it out and layered it on top of this vintage looking paper. And for our teddy bear on the Gorjuss Girl stamp, I paper pieced it with this light yellow heart pattern paper, and for her I colored it in with some colored markers. I'm still at a learning curve when it comes to that. So when I attached her on the cover, I put some foam stickers just to add more dimension, and also at the sides of the cutout I applied some distressed ink just to give it a little more character in there. This is actually a pocket, so you can definitely put something in there. And when you flip it open, we have our love letters stored in this little keepsake box, and we're still using that window. I love this. This was a leftover again from some scrapbooking paper I had. Applied some distressed ink here, and that's it. So on our little flap here, when we open, I just applied some lace trim, and when you open it, you'll see our letters. Hope you enjoyed this quick project share for our Gorjuss Girl collab. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time.